Not a problem. Put him on. CG, just hold your microphone. I know
Yes,
you're
man.
rearing to go.
What's going on, Richie?
Who is it?
Cat Coore, man.
Cat Coore. Cat, you mean the great third world Johnny Tiger?
Yes.
Johnny Tiger, listen, I have to come and take you in later on down in Miami there. And we have to bring you onto Sunday Scoops. Let me use the opportunity to welcome you on behalf of the Sunday Scoops team to Sunday Scoops, a little cameo performance. We honoring the Gong today, and I know you have a whole heap to say, so let me turn over to you. Yes.
And I'm actually heading right now to go and start up my work day. But anyway, I just wanted to mention that for me personally, Bob Marley is almost Christ-like. I have 3 reasons why I said that. First one is that even though he has no miracles like feeding the 5,000 or making the blind see, he got himself from a very, very humble poor beginning and got himself elevated to a maximum level, which is a miracle in and in of itself. That's number one. Number two, his expressions, the amount of work that he did in 36 years. And let's count out the usefulness of maybe 14, 15,
right.
maybe 16. So just between 16 and 36, the volume of work, the volume of poetry, the volume of expressions, the volume of quality thinking is just absolutely unparalleled. And number three, the inspiration that he gave to every country in the world knows Bob Marley. He's on walls in places we wouldn't believe. And his Tired for Singing Face is not a joke thing. It's not a joke thing. He was very inspired when he said that. So for me personally, these are the things that really stand out to me about this man that, you know, I happen to know personally. And I tell you something that's just really cool too, is being with his kids now and working with them. Well, let me tell you, that's really, really cool. You know, so as I say, I have to run to work, but give thanks to what you're doing and keep up the vibes. You know?
Well, listen, Cat, before you run away, we want to, it's not for want of trying, but we have to have you on Sunday Scoops, certainly over the course of the next couple of weeks.
All right.
We need to nail that down.
All right. Well, the phone that I'm speaking to you on now is my phone, you know. So you just take that number and you call me anytime.
I certainly will, Cat.
All right. No problem, brethren.
Yeah, man. And respect.
Sorry, I have to run, but I have a sound check coming up in about 25 minutes. I'm have to move.
Not a problem, Cat.
Right, respect.
And respect.
All right, good.
Yeah, man.
Bless.
Over to the next great man, from one great man to the next. Let's move over. CG, welcome again.
Thank you very much, Sir Richard, Sir Garth, and good afternoon to all your listeners. What a great day to celebrate a man who I have no difficulty saying publicly I would love to become a national hero. I have no issue saying that. For me personally, when I think about Muhammad Ali, Mandela, Martin Luther King, then I call Bob Marley's name. I mean, just, you know, a freedom fighter, somebody who has inspired the world. And on a personal level, I mean, in every stage of my life, personally, a Bob Marley song has always been there to carry me through whatever period whatever challenge I was going through, whatever inspiration I needed, there was Bob. You know, it's funny, you have Rowan coming on. I remember clearly when Bob passed, we were all at Vast Prep, and I saw Rowan a couple of days after, and I asked him, and he was crying, and I asked him why was he crying, and he, you know, he told me about Bob passing, and I didn't even know the connection at the time. And just to show you how all the dots connect, I, you know, went to school with Ziggy Sedella. We're in a production together called Samantha and the Seven Doobies. In fact, I had the lead role for 2 months until they called me one day and say, we have a little change in the plan, you know. We have a new lead role. It's going to be Ziggy and Oliver will find another role for you. So from very early, you know, I've made way for royalty. Certainly the Marleys are royalty, and it's a pleasure for me to be able to work with their family, especially like Sedella with the football projects that we have done, and all the Marley family generally. And I want to salute them and thank them for the work that they have been doing. They're royalty, not just to us here in Jamaica, but to the world. And it's such a great day today. We're going to be doing a production later. As you know, Richard, you'll be on the program. And I will also be on the Third World show later as well with Cat Coore.
There you go.
And we will be
You ever sing?
Why? I do a little one, two. It's a surprise.
I'm not going to tell you.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.